constipated ka din ba kagaya ko? I-try nyo to. So, may apple tayo, pipino, at saka celery. Let's start. Try natin. So, this is my first time. Pero ang celery, nakatry na ako noon. Pero itong combination na to with apple and celery and pipino. Lami! Lami siya. You should try it.